I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real me. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I will be reviewing this wig that I'm wearing right here from RPGSHOW hair. And this wig from RPGSHOW is called Nova. It is a glueless unit. With this wig, there's absolutely no work needed, no plucking, no bleaching. You get a really natural hairline, and the only thing that you really have to do is cut your lace off, style the hair as usual, and go about your day. And that is absolutely it, you guys. So that is what I will be showing you guys today, how I install my wig from start to finish. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so first thing that I like to do is pretty much show you guys everything that comes with your wig. So we're just gonna unbox it together. Give me this. So this right here is your unit. They also send you a magazine. I think in here it has like different styles and stuff like that with all their units. They also send you a wig cap. And then this, I believe, has like all the details on your wig. Also get a wig bag. Usually they send you like combs and rat tail combs and little other stuff. Surprisingly, I did not get any with this package, so I'm quite surprised. But yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. Oh, this is pretty. So here is our wig from RPG hair. Now I absolutely love the color of this unit. It's like a ash blonde mixed with some brown. It is such a beautiful color, you guys. This is what the inside of your unit looks like. It does come with the combs on the inside and also an extra elastic band for extra security. Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much what your unit looks like fresh out the box, straight out of the box. It does come pre-curled for you. The wig pretty much comes with all the work done for you. It comes pre-plucked. It comes with the knots bleached. The color of my lace that I got is their tinted Swiss lace, and I got mine in a medium brown. Also, it is a 13x4 lace cap. Completely glueless. Like I said, you are able to wear this wig glueless. Right now I have mine attached to the third hook on that elastic band that they placed in the back, and it's fitting me really snug, you guys. I don't think I'll be needing to add any glue or any adhesive to lay this unit down. Alright, so I'm just going to read you guys really quickly the details that they provided me for my unit. So the name is Nova 003. The order number is CC568. The hair texture is a silky texture. The hair length is a 20-inch. The hair color is same as picture. The cap size is number 2. The cap construction is a 13x4 lace cap, and also it's a 200 density unit. And the lace color is a tinted transparent lace, and I got mine in a medium brown. Alright, so this is the full color of the wig. I love the blonde at the ends and like the darker color at the roots. This is really pretty, you guys. This is what it's looking like. Can y'all see that? Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is just go ahead and perfect this part in space. I'm just going to use some foundation and clean out that part. Okay, so yeah, not bad. Maybe I should add just a tiny bit like of a lighter concealer just to make it pop a little bit more, based on the fact being that the roots is already like a lighter color.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie.
Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut off all that excess lace, and we're going to see whether or not I'm able to wear my wig glueless or I gotta use glue. For the most part, it is a glueless unit. You definitely can get away with wearing it as it is because here is pretty snug, like it's not going anywhere. If I do this, it's just the air tabs alone that's lifted, which is like this piece right here. What you simply can do is just use some spray there or some gel to hold it down, and you have yourself a glueless I'm just gonna use my lace spray and leave down the ear tabs. This is the one that was bought by Ebony. And this, the hole on it is crazy, you guys. So
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
alright, so now I'm just gonna take my curling iron and I'm just gonna go back over these curls really quickly.
Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you.
Alrighty, you guys, so now I'm finished curling the hair. I'm just gonna take my brush. I usually have a big rat tail comb. Really can't find that right now, so I'm just gonna use my brush.
You get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it.
Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful wig. Like, let me give you guys a close up. Look at the hairline on this wig. Absolutely no baby hair is needed. You do not need any. It is so gorgeous. Again, it is glueless, so I can still lift hair if I wanted to. Can pull it back. It's the edges for me. Yes, I love me a wig that does not have any baby hairs, or like just very minimal baby hairs. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with baby hairs, but to me a wig just looks so much more natural and so much more, I don't want to say classy, I don't think that's like the right word to say, but it just looks so much more clean. Let me just say that it looks so much more clean without the excess baby hairs. Like, this looks so natural. I'm so hyped right now. This is so cute. I love the color. The color is just amazing. And also the lace that they use on your unit, it's their tinted transparent Swiss lace, which it melts directly into your skin without even having to do the elastic band method. You guys saw I did not do any of that extra stuff. The top is no adhesive on the front of my lace, and as you guys can see, it completely melts right into your skin. So that is what I love about their Swiss lace, is that you get that melted look without even having to do the extra elastic band method and all of that. Also got this wig in a 20-inch, so if I was to stretch the hair, it comes down right below my underboob. I am really impressed with this wig. Thank you RPG Hair for sponsoring this video. I am absolutely in love with this unit. You guys, if I was to rate this out of 10, I will definitely give it a 12. Like, this is how bomb this unit is. So far I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling. So a lot of times when I receive like blonde wigs, I can always smell the bleach on the hair, especially from the color in the hair, you know. But on this one, I cannot smell anything. Like, I literally cannot smell the bleach or chemicals, none of that. So I'm really impressed about that. With this wig, you guys, no work is needed, no bleaching, no plucking. It comes with all the work done for you, and mainly it comes with such a natural hairline. Like, look at that. Let me come closer so you guys can see. The hairline is everything on this unit. No baby hairs is needed. I don't even recommend adding baby hairs to this wig if you were to purchase it. It looks so natural without, and it's just giving like grown and sexy vibes. Like, pretty much brings us to the end of this video. Like I said, I do have a makeup tutorial on this look, so if you guys are interested in achieving this look right here, I'll have that listed somewhere here on the screen, or probably down below in the description box, or you can just check back on my old videos. Lashes that I'm wearing is from my online store, which is isidorebeauty.ca, and this one is in the style Kayla. Yeah, also if I do have a discount code on this wig, I will leave that listed down below in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know what you guys feel about the wig, what you guys think, how you guys feel in the color, and as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.